Hello, I'm Kim Below, and I'm a stylist instructor and a continuous education provider. So, listen, I have some awesome information that I want to share with you about how to renew your cosmetology license. That's right. But before I do that, I'd like you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And while you're doing that, hit that little bell so you'll know every single time that I upload a new video. Okay, so let's get to it. So people are renewing their license and they want to know a few of the steps that they need to so that they can renew their license. So one of the first things that you need to do when it comes to renewing your cosmetology license is you want to go to state board website. And then you want to also look at what does it takes to renew your license. And if you get a little confused because there's a lot of information out there, go ahead, pick up the phone and give State Board a call. They'll answer any questions that you would have in regards to renewing your cosmetology license, okay? So make sure that you contact them, be it phone or email or just going to the state board website. Whatever state you're in, you will find the information that you need. Okay, so that's the first thing that you need to do. And then the next thing that you need to do is follow the instructions. They're going to either send you something in the mail or they're going to email you some information that you will need in order to renew your license, okay? And so you want to make sure that you follow their instructions, okay? So then after you're following their instructions, there's going to be a list of providers that you need so that you can get some continuous education credit. 9 times out of 10, because you have it's time for you to renew your license, you're going to need to have to get some continuous education credit. Every time you do a continuous education course, it should include safety and sanitation and whatever class that you're taking. If you're taking a haircut class, if you're taking a color class, a perm class, a relaxer class, it should all include a safety and sanitation, okay? The list that you will choose from is on the state board site. There are approved continuous education providers that state board has approved that you can only use. You cannot go outside of the approved list that state board has, okay? So choose someone from the list that state board has provided so that you can get those continuing education credits, okay? Then you need to make sure that you complete the classes. That's what you have to do. Once you've done your safety and sanitation, you've completed those classes, then that you will receive a certified certificate from the person that you've taken that class from. And that's what state board is looking for, that you have completed however many hours that you needed, and it has safety and sanitation on there, on the certificate with the class that you've taken, okay? So again, make sure that you contact state board, whatever state that you're in, and then you also make sure that you follow their instructions, whatever they say that you need to renew your license, that you do that. And then you want to make sure that you look on their site to get a list of the CE providers, the continuous education providers, get that list and choose someone from that list so that you can get the credits that you need, okay? And then you want to make sure that whatever class that you take, that it has safety and sanitation, and then it also has on your certificate the class that you took, whether it's a hair cutting class, whether it's a color class, or even if it's a perm class, whatever that class is, okay? It will be provided on your certificate from that CE provider, okay? So again, I'm Kim Below, and I am a hairstylist, instructor, and a continuous education provider. And I hope that this information has been valuable to you. So please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell so you'll know every single time that I upload a new video. And by the way, I have written a book, Stylist Workbook. It is called a Stylist Workbook that I'm giving to you for free. So also make sure that you hit that link that is in the description about this video so you can download your free video. Okay, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.